Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see the exercise 2.2 fourth question. Fourth question, express the following decimal expression into rational numbers. Here the question is given as a decimal format. We should convert that one as rational numbers. The first question, 0.24 bar. This is decimal format they given. That question converted into rational numbers. Solution. Let the given question as I am taken as x is equal to 0.24 bar. Bar means a repeating number is 242424. That one I am written here. X is equal to 0.242424 etc. That one I marked as equation 1. Next, multiply equation 1 by 100 on both sides. This is equation 1, no? 100 should be multiplied on both the sides. Both side means LHS side. This one is RHS side. So we should multiply 100 on both sides. If I multiply here 100, you will get 100x is equal to, in this side if I multiply, here it is a decimal format. A 2-digit it will move when you multiply with 100. So that one I am written 24.2424 etc. That should be marked as equation 2. The next step is subtracting equation 2 minus 1. So when you subtract, LHS side you should subtract separately and RHS side subtract separately. That means 100x minus x is equal to this term 24.2424 etc. minus 0.2424 etc. Now I explain, no, that one I am written here 100x minus x, that term minus that equation first one. Next 100x minus x means 100 minus 1x. You will get 99x is equal to, this one I am done in the rough column. This first one I am written here 24.2424 etc. Next one is 0 point. So you should place the decimal same. So decimal here, write it 2424 etc. When you see this side, it is 2424. If you subtract, you will get 0. That one I cancelled and written as 0. Point 24 minus 0 is 24. So our answer is 24. Then x is equal to 24 by 99. Here able to cancel this one. What table it is able to cancel? In 3 table. When you cancel this one, you will get 8. This one is 33. So therefore, our answer is 8 by 33. Second question, 2.327 bar. Bar for only 327 bar. This is a decimal format. That one is we converted into rational numbers. So first the given question you should take let x is equal to, that is x is equal to that question I am written. It meaning is what it is equal to 2. A bar means 327. Next repeating is 327. Next 327 etc. That one we mark it as equation 1. Here multiply equation 1 by 1000 on both sides. Here a bar for 3 numbers. So I am taken multiply with 1000. The before question bar for 2 numbers. So I multiply with 100. If I multiply with 1000 on both sides, 1000 into x is 1000x is equal to, when you multiply here with 1000, the decimal will move 3 digit after. Here already decimal you are having 2 point after. So this point will become here 7 after. So therefore you will get 2327.327 etc. That one you should mark it as 2. Next what you should do, subtract equation 2 minus 1. This is minus symbol. Equation 2 minus 1. When you subtract this one, LHS side separately you subtract it. 1000x minus x. That one I am written here is equal to RHS side subtract separately. So this one minus this 2.327 etc. 1000x minus 1x, you will get 999x is equal to, this one I am done in the rough column. This question I have written 2327.327 etc. This one decimal is a place equally. That is decimal. Here 2.327 etc. When you see this side, you will have the same number. If you subtract, you will get 0. So I cancel here. I am written as 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Here meaning is 0. So you will get 2. Here 3, 2. Our answer is 2325. That one I am written here. Then x is equal to 2325 divided by 999. Now it is a rational format. If it is able to cancel, you can cancel it. I cancel in 3 table. 23. 23 is 7 times. So 7. Remainder. Here 2. 22. Again it is 7 times. Here remainder is 1. You will get 15. 15 is 5 times. So our answer is 775. When you cancel it, this one is 3 table. 3, 3, 3. That is 9 is 3 times. So 333. Therefore our answer is x is equal to 775 divided by 333. Third question, minus 5.132. In this question, they are not given the bar. First of all, the given question is, you should take x is equal to minus 5.132. Here listen, a decimal is given here. I want to remove the decimal. For that I am dividing by 1000. That means, here see this one. How many digits after you are having point? 1, 2, 3. So, I divided by 1000. So, you will get minus 5132 divided by 1000. When you cancel, you will get minus 1283 divided by 250. This is a, what format it is? It is a rational number. Fourth question. 3.17 bar for only 7, not 1. Okay, so bar for only 7. Solution, the given question is I am taking as x is equal to 3.17 bar. You explain that question. X is equal to 3.1 bar for only 7. No, so I am writing 777 etc. You should mark that one as equation 1. Here repeating number is, one number is repeating. So I multiply with a 10 on both sides. If I multiply with 10 on both sides, you will get x into 10 is 10x is equal to, here when you multiply with 10, the decimal will move 1 digit after. So you will get 31.77 etc. Now you should mark this equation as 2. Next you should do equation 2 minus 1. If I subtract this one, 10x minus x. This is equation 2. This one is equation 1. So 10x minus x is equal to 31.77 etc. minus, here you write this one as 3.177 etc. 10x minus x is 9x is equal to, here you subtract this one as a rough column. This one I am written 31.77 etc. Here I am written as 3.177 etc. Here listen this one. Here 7777. So it is cancelled. It meaning is 0 when you subtract. Next 7 minus 1 is 6. Decimal here. 31 minus 3. You will get 28. So our answer is 28.6. In the decimal you are getting. Here I am written 28.6. Then x is equal to 28.6 divided by 9. Our question is what? That one converted into a rational number. But in that answer you are having a decimal, no? So you want to remove the decimal on the numerator. How many digits after you are having a decimal? 1 digit. So I multiply 10 and divide 10. So 10 here I multiplied and divided by 10. If I multiply with 28.6 into 10, you will get 286 divided by, here no decimal, no, directly you multiply. 9 into 10 is 90. You cancel this one. In 2 table, you will get 143 divided by 45. It is what format? It is a rational number format. Therefore, x is equal to 143 divided by 45. A fifth question, 17.215 bar. It is bar for 15. The given question is I am taken as x. X is equal to 17.215 bar. X is equal to 17.2. A bar is 15, no? So I am writing that one repeatedly. 15, 15, 15, etc. That one you should mark it as equation 1. Here repeating number is 2. So I multiply with 100 on both sides in equation 1. If I multiply here, you will get 100x is equal to, here decimal will move 2 digit after, because we are multiplying with 100. So you will get 1721.51515 etc. This is equation 2. Next, what you should do? Subtract with equation 2 and 1. So equation 2 minus 1. 100x minus x is equal to this one I am written minus that equation 1 I am written here. 100x minus 1x is 99x is equal to, here in the rough column I am done here, 1721.5151 etc. Next I am writing is 17.21515 etc. Here when you see this one, this is a common, here 1515, here also 1515. When you cancel, you will get 0. Next, 5 minus 2 is 3. Here you subtract here 1 minus 7 we are not able to subtract, so you should borrow here. It will come as 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here you will have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then this number is I am writing as it is. So our answer is 1704.3. Here I am written. Then x is equal to 1704.3 divided by 99. In the numerator you are having a decimal. We want to remove that decimal. For that what we will do? Multiply with 10 and divided by 10, because 1 digit after you are having a decimal. If decimal is 2 digit after you are having a decimal, means you multiply with 100 divided by 100. Here 1 digit after having a decimal, so multiply and divide with 10. That one I am written here. Multiply 10 and divided with 10. If I multiply in the numerator into 10, the point will be removed. You will get 17,043. In the denominator, 99 into 10 is 990. When you cancel, you will get 5,681 divided by 330. I am cancelling in 3 table. Therefore, our answer is 5,681 divided by 330. This is a rational number. The sixth question. Minus 21.2137 bar. A bar for only 7. Solution. Let x is equal to, I am taken that question. Then is equal to minus 21.213 bar for only 7. No, 777 I am writing, etc. This one we mark it as 1. Here a repeating number is 7. So 1 digit is repeating. So I multiplied with a 10 on both sides. So when I multiply here x into 10 is, you will get 10x is equal to, when you multiply the RHS side 1 digit it will move, because I multiply with 10. So here you will get minus 212.13777 etc. You mark it as 2. Next, equation 2 minus 1. Then 10x minus x, and that one I am written, is equal to, and subtract RHS side separately. So this one minus, here the question they given us minus 1, that one also I am included, minus 21.21377 etc. Then 10 minus 1x is 9x is equal to, this one I am written here, minus into minus plus. For that I am writing one more step. So minus into minus plus, I am not removing the bracket, is equal to, here in the rough column it written this one 212.1377 etc. Here I am writing 21.21377 etc. 7 is same, no? Here when you cancel you will get 0. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 2, here is a small number, so you should borrow here. When you borrow you will get 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Point. Here you will have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here again smaller number, you should borrow here. 11 minus 2 is 9. Remainder you will have here, it is 1. Therefore our answer is 190.924. That one I am written. In the question you having minus, so minus. Why I am written here minus is greater number sign. Which one is greater, this one or this one? 212 is greater or 21 is greater? 212 is greater, so I am written that minus sign. X is equal to minus 190.924 divided by 9. I don't want the decimal on the numerator. I want to remove this one. How many digit after having a decimal? 3 digit. So I multiplied and divided by 1000. For that I am doing here. If I multiply with 1000 in the numerator, the decimal will remove. You will get 190924 divided by 9 into 1000 is 9000. Therefore, our answer is minus 1,90,924 divided by 9000. Students, from next week, that is Wednesday, you will have maths midterm exam. Do and practice exercise 1.1 to 1.6 all the sums in your rough note. So prepare well for your exam. Thank you, students.